So my name is Ythan Webster. I'm born and bred Kinston, North Carolina. I grew up here my whole life. Ended up going to college at NC State. Really want to make a difference and obviously help and treat people from minor injuries, foot pain, plantar fasciitis, or being able to heal up and treat infections and ulcers. I'm hoping that I can fill a void with treating patients, but also trying to foster a sense of community. So currently I'll be seeing patients at the Orthopedics and Sports Medicine UNC Lenoir office. I'll also be at the Wound Care Center to help with inpatients and outpatients that have wounds. I'll also be doing any trauma from the ankle down to the little toe. The greatest thing about this job is the ability to get my patients back on their feet. That's what makes me get up in the morning and have some purpose, have a drive to improve people's lives. Personally, I'm just really excited and very fortunate that I have the opportunity in my hometown to provide exceptional care without exception at UNC Health Lenoir.